Hi, my name is Shanika. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be doing a 3-strand twist out using Miche Beauty products. If you want to see how to do the 3-strand twist, how I take it down, as well as my thoughts on the Miche products, then keep on watching. Now for the deets on these products. Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner made with aloe vera plus avocado oil, 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, detangles, and softens dry hair. Lavish is a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner that will infuse dry hair with moisture-rich ingredients, leaving hair feeling soft and replenished. Lavish is an excellent detangler that will aid in melting stubborn knots and tangles to make hair more manageable. Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter made with cupuaçu butter and mango butter. Quenched is an extra hydrating butter that replenishes and revitalizes dry, thirsty hair. This butter can also be used as a styler to achieve defined and moisturized braid and twist outs. Quenched is made with cupuaçu butter and mango butter, rich and creamy butters that have moisture sealing properties, which keeps hair feeling softer and hydrated for longer. Miche Polished Hair and Scalp made with argan and jojoba oil, a lightweight moisturizing oil blend for all hair types. Polished is a lightweight moisturizing oil blend that penetrates the hair strand, soothes the scalp, and adds moisture and a beautiful shine to hair. Polished is excellent for pre-shampoo, hot oil treatments, overnight deep conditioning, blowouts, twist outs, roller sets, and protective styling. Polished binds to the hair, which seals and locks in moisture, leaving hair soft and healthy. I'm going to show you how to do the 3-strand twist and what I did. So how I did just the little parts of the braid and then start into the twist. The little parts of the braid at the top, again, is to really tighten your roots. So that's why you would do a little bit of braiding at first and then you do the 3-strand twist. Okay, right? So here you secured the braid. You probably braided down just a bit, and that would mean like now your root is tight. So when you first do it, you want to tighten it and like tighten it and do that. Now here we still have the 3 strands. We're going to go into doing the 3-stranded twist. So you get your hands in motion. See what's, get yourself in a comfortable rhythm, and you just keep going, and you know which one's next and which one you just put over, and you just keep doing it like that. So then black, blue, white, and repeat. So we're gonna keep going and doing that. All right, so then there's that. It is twisted, and we still have the plait at the top, but obviously it changed a little bit. But there's the twist. Both sides. So I hope you guys know how to do it now. You just have to try and get a rhythm going when you are doing it. And like how I showed you, okay, like this piece was over and then the next set was coming in, and because I had the colors, I was able to show you, okay, this one goes and we keep that in the next line, and that one goes, so that you know which is the next set of hair to wrap over the other two, and you just keep doing that. And when you're doing it on your hair, you're going to find a way where it feels comfortable, where you start to keep doing it and it gets more like a muscle memory, like you're just continually doing it, and then you like at the end, you know, you just twist it at the end. So you'll get used to it. At first it may feel a little weird and hard to grasp, but you'll get used to it.
So it's been exactly 1 week since I installed this. As you can see, my twists are still looking good. These 3-strand twists, they still look very nice. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to use the same oil, the Miche polish. Okay, so I'm gonna use that to go ahead and apply it to my hands as I usually do in my videos. If you're new to my channel, then this will be your first time hearing, but I apply oil to my hands and then I rubbed it through my hair, and then I go in with the oil to take down my hair. And I do that just so that there is less friction when I'm taking my hair down, which means that I will also have less frizz as I'm taking it down. And it does add a little extra boost to shine, so that's also an added bonus. So I'm putting the oils on my hands, I'm rubbing it together. You can see it's all over my hand. And then I'm just gonna rub it along the strands on each side. Okay. All right, and then now I'm gonna put on oil so that I can make sure it's on the tips of my fingers in order for me to take down my hair. So what we're gonna do is twist it in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna untwist it, opposite direction, and then slowly take the twist apart. All right, so once you twist it in the opposite direction, you've gotten your 3 strands here. Then you're gonna just unravel it. So I'm gonna unravel it like that. And you can keep unraveling it. If you just unravel one strand, let's say if I just took the one strand and just kept unraveling, you would still have the other 2 strands to unravel. So just try to do both as you go along. So like you may take one strand and unravel, and then take another strand and unravel it. Okay, so you're just literally turning it opposite and trying to take them apart and unravel them as you're going. Kind of like you're just doing like the untwisting, like how you twisted it. So do that. And as you can see, I still have my 3. Now at the top, I had braided it at the top just slightly a little bit and then twisted it, and that's to hold the root, because well, you would end up trying to really tighten the root when you're 3-strand twisting it, and I've done that before, and what happens is the roots get a little puffy. So I found that braiding it a little bit from the top, you know, you just start and braid it just a bit, enough so that the roots stay tight, and then you can do your 3-strand twisting around. So now with this, you're just gonna unbraid it like how you normally do a braid. There you go. So I have the 3. So you have 1, 2, 3. I have all 3. And you can see it here. And a little on the roots, like you can see how it isn't all puffy, hopefully. Maybe you might not be able to see the back. I'll really show it to you with some of the front ones, how it comes out. So if you've seen some of my videos before, same thing. I'm going to stretch it and then separate where it naturally wants to separate. But just for this, I'm going to leave it like this, separated, so you guys can kind of get a feel for how it looks when it's separated. Right, and then you can see that at the roots, how I just took that out and took it apart. Right there, you can see that it goes like straight into the root here, and that's like also from the braid, like it gives it a little wave, like, or crimpy look, how braids usually do. And then this is the part that is the 3-strand twist. So I just have, okay, so that's everything taken down, just initially separated. So see on this side, and then this side, and then how it's looking. Again. Up close. So now I'm going to go ahead and separate and further fluff out my hair, and then you guys will see like maybe I'll do like on a screen comparison, but this is how it looks now. Yeah, I will come right back when everything is further separated. You know, I hope you guys come along with me and, you know, you stick with me. If you like my videos, if you like my personality, if this has put value into your life, if you've learned something from this, then share this with your friends and family so they can get value out of it as well. And just thanks for watching this all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.